Alright guys, so in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can get Game Pass link in Roblox mobile. So it's actually very easy getting the Game Pass link. What you have to do is just go to your web browser and open up roblox.com on your web browser, and right over here what you have to do is just simply log in, and then once you log in just go to create section, and once you're here just press on these three horizontal lines on the top corner. Right over here you just need to go to creation, and right over here you'll see the island or place that you created. Just simply press on the place. Once you press on the place, again click on these three horizontal lines on the top corner, and then you'll see the option of monetization. Just simply press on that, and then you'll see the option of passes. Press on that. Right over here you'll see a few more options. Just swipe, and then you'll see the option of these three dots. Just simply press on that, and then just copy pass ID. Once you copy the pass ID, go ahead and search roblox.com, and then give it hyphen and then game. No, you just need to, yeah, there, and then Game Pass hyphen pass, and then /, and then you just need to paste in the Game Pass ID, and here you go. Once you do that, it will show you the Game Pass ID that you use, and right over here it's this, and that's the link that you got. So yeah, this is basically it. I hope this actually helped you out.